Hey everyone, it's Jeff from New York, and we're downtown Las Vegas again on Fremont Street, checking out another hotel and casino on Fremont Street, this one being the Golden Nugget. There's just a few more of these smaller hotel and casinos downtown left, and then we'll end these short videos and head back uptown, or perhaps go straight to the Grand Canyon. I'm not sure yet which one we're going to do first, but let's check out the last few of these hotel and casinos downtown while we're here. This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. The bars in this casino are smaller than other places, but I've noticed there's quite a few more of them. This is the Golden Nugget Sportsbook, kinda small. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. When you do, you're automatically enrolled in the next $50 gift card giveaway here on the New York channel. And here we have yet another bar. The bars seem really quiet, but it is early in the morning, but that never really seemed to stop anyone in Vegas before. I think the concept of time is pretty much left at the city limits. When you're in Vegas, it's just one big blur. Morning blends into afternoon, into evening, back into morning. You really have no concept of what time it is. Coming up here on the right is the Golden Nugget Pool. It is a beautiful Las Vegas morning today. The pool features a fancy schmancy waterfall, just like the big boy hotel casinos uptown, but not quite. And it looks like a great place to sit down and have a good breakfast. If you plan on visiting Vegas in the near future, check out the link below in the description. 50 things to do and tips while visiting Las Vegas. And on the left here we have Red, which is a Asian cuisine restaurant. And as we round the corner here, we come across some of the shops located in the Golden Nugget. Here we have a jewelry store. I think every hotel and casino in Las Vegas has a jewelry store. First, there's always going to be a souvenir/convenience store. And then secondly, there's always going to be a jewelry store. Most likely, it's just another way the hotel gets some of those winnings back from those lucky gamblers. And up there is the Chart House, a seafood restaurant here at the Golden Nugget. I have to say, the Golden Nugget on Fremont's pretty nice. It reminds me of a smaller uptown hotel and casino. It seems modern and clean, and it's got a lot of amenities. Okay, easy for you to say. Oh look, a souvenir/convenience store. What did I tell you? I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.